कांग्रेस के घोषणा पत्र में वही सोच झलकती है जो सोच आजादी के आंदोलन के समय मुस्लिम लीग में थी।
In a strongly worded letter to Punjab voters, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on Thursday accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of using hateful, unparliamentary terms to target either a specific section of society or the opposition. Singh's letter comes ahead of the 7th phase of the Lok Sabha polls scheduled for June 1, urging voters to protect democracy and the constitution from what he describes as a despotic regime attempting to impose dictatorship in India. Singh criticized Modi for indulging in what he called the most vicious form of hate speeches, which he deemed purely divisive. He accused Modi of lowering the dignity of public discourse and the office of the Prime Minister. I have been keenly following the political discourse during this election campaign. Modi ji has indulged in the most vicious form of hate speeches, which are purely divisive in nature. Modi ji is the first Prime Minister to lower the dignity of public discourse and thereby the gravity of the office of the Prime Minister, Singh stated. Singh also condemned Modi for using hateful and coarse language to target specific sections of society or the opposition. No Prime Minister in the past has uttered such hateful, unparliamentary and coarse terms meant to target either a specific section of the society or the opposition. He also attributed some false statements to me. I have never in my life singled out one community from the other. That is the sole copyright of the BJP, the senior Congress leader asserted. Singh referred to Modi's accusations that he had said Muslims have the first right on the country's resources, categorically denying ever making such a statement. In addition to his criticism of Modi's rhetoric, Singh lambasted the BJP for imposing the Agniveer scheme on the armed forces, labelling it as ill-conceived and a threat to national security. He accused the BJP of undermining the values of patriotism, bravery and service by limiting their worth to a mere 4 years, denouncing what he called fake nationalism. Those who trained for regular recruitment were woefully betrayed by the outgoing regime. The youth of Punjab, the son of the farmer who dreams of serving the motherland through the armed forces, is now thinking twice about getting recruited only for a 4-year stint. Agniveer scheme endangers national security. The Congress party has therefore promised to abolish the Agniveer scheme, Singh added. Singh's letter comes just a couple of days before the last phase of polling. The counting of votes is scheduled for June 4.